This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open Mini Cooper S bonnet, only ways. Pull the interior release lever firmly until you hear a clear click, then move to the front of the car. Reach under the bonnet at the center and push the secondary safety catch to free the latch. Lift the bonnet smoothly and support it with the strut or prop rod, making sure it sits stable before you start any work. Locate the interior release lever by kneeling beside the driver's seat and looking under the dash near the kick panel. Use a steady, decisive pull until you feel the latch release and hear the click. If visibility is poor, lower the seat slightly or use a flashlight to spot the lever and the little bonnet icon. This simple step prevents forcing the latch and makes the rest of the process safer and faster for you. If you're enjoying this quick how-to, please subscribe and like the video to help me keep making useful car guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control is great for tidying up after a garage session or greasy repairs. It's a lighthearted match for car care and clean floors, and it saves time so you can focus on the bonnet. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After pulling the interior release, go to the front and place one hand under the bonnet at the center edge to find the secondary catch. Push or slide that catch as designed while lifting the bonnet with both hands to avoid tilting. Let the strut engage or set the prop rod securely into its slot so the bonnet cannot fall. Always double-check stability before leaning over the engine bay to work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.